Welcome to Hornbill TV, your English news bulletin. I'm Lishni Cheste. The 9th edition of International Tourism Mart under the aegis of Ministry of Tourism, Government of India will begin from November 27 in Kohima. Addressing a press conference, Commissioner and Secretary Tourism I. Kito Jimomi said that the event will continue till November 29th. The International Tourism Mart, which was started in 2013, will be held in Nagaland for the first time. Kito said the department is expecting a host of leaders, diplomats who will be attending the International Tourism Mart, along with a large number of delegates, mostly stakeholders in the tourism industry and people from the media. He said the International Tourism Mart will also witness participation of tour operators, resort proprietors, travel and tourism companies and vloggers who do travel and food shows.
People who are directly or indirectly connected with the tourism industry, and we hope that we will have a fantastic 3-day session. We are going to have our first session on the 27th. There will be an inaugural function where our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Nefurio, will be the chief guest. He will inaugurate the 9th International Tourism Mart. This will be held at the banquet hall, State Banquet Hall. That will be followed by a fantastic B2B, or as we call business to business, and presentation session on the 28th. This will take place in Kisama at the Bamboo Hall. We have participants from all the 8 northeastern states, and we have a host of officials from the Ministry of Tourism. Shri Arvind Singh Ji, the Secretary Tourism, will be there. Madam Rupinder Brar, Additional Director General, Ministry of Tourism, will be there. And there will be many more officers from the Ministry of Tourism. We have a lot of presentations on the 28th. Presentations made by every state. That will be followed by sessions on festivals, fairs. That will be followed by interactive session with ambassadors from 5 countries who are also taking part. So altogether we have 8 diplomats from 5 countries who will be taking part. Thereafter we will have a field visit session for them on the 29th. They will visit Pulebadze. They will have lunch there. They will view Kohima from the roof of Kohima. They will go for the half-an-hour trek. I think many of us have done that. After that, they will proceed to Konoma to experience how life goes on in the villages in Nagaland. And so we have a huge belief that all our guests who come to Kohima will extremely enjoy this experience. And for all the other technical questions that you might have, any clarification that you need, my colleagues from the Ministry of Tourism, Madam Bharti and Shri Vibha Vahya, you can point your questions to them. Thank you.
All the international travel mart before this travel mart, since it is called International Travel Mart, used to have the buyers from abroad. This is the mart where we are having top-notch buyers from domestic market. So this year's mart is not only international, but a big domestic push is given for this region of the country. So one difference is in terms of approach and the target audience. Second is the component of this mart itself. You appreciate the fact that this mart is happening just before the mega festival of Hornbill. So basically it's kind of creating a lot of awareness within that genre of Hornbill festival. And second thing is happening, our mart is happening at the place which is itself is a beautiful place, Kisama Bamboo Hall and Kisama village. So people who are coming from different parts of the country will have the first hand knowledge of the festival itself, the village itself, and rather than taking them out on different places, at one point they will get all the experience of Nagaland. Third thing, we have curated two very important sessions in this mart. Earlier it used to be sessions based on the psyche of the international buyers, but as you know that a lot of domestic travelers started traveling in last few months, and we don't want Nagaland to feel that they are a little bit behind on that. So to showcase what Nagaland has got, this year we have got the sessions on basically northeastern regions adventure sports. So we have to understand that this year the conference is happening in Nagaland, but the conference, the idea, the principle behind this conference is always the promotion of northeast region, not specific to one particular state. So promotion of entire northeast region is the concept. Second thing, that you know that we are celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, 75 years is independent. So most of our events, most of the outlook of the event goes around with that particular or mega theme of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. First time we are introducing a session for students in this ITM. So from all over the country we are inviting 50 to 55 students. They will be coming, and there will be 25 students from Kohima. So there is a session crafted for them, and this session is going to be all about connecting heart, connecting mind, connecting soul. So basically all the students, all the university students talking about different part of the country, what is their view on India 2.0, what they think about skill development, how Kohima student can explain the heritage and the culture of Kohima to them. So basically much more people to people connect in terms of youth in this event. As you know that this event is strictly a business to business event, where the products and the tourism products of northeast region have been exposed to the rest of the country. So the buyers will come from rest of the country and the sellers will come from northeastern regions. Strictly business to business session where people will talk about their tourism products, they will talk about their homestays, they talk about their B&B, they will talk about their resorts, they will talk about their tour operating company, they will talk about their transport operating company. So lot of things they will talk about, and a buyer coming from different part of the country, he will say, okay fine, this is what is available here, so I can sign a contract with you. That will happen later, but this is something which we are thinking of.